Hello and welcome to another Maintenance Right on Schedule tutorial. My name is David, and in this video we're going to talk about your to-do list feature and how it can help keep you organized, which is important because, as we all know, there is a lot of work to do on boats. Let's jump in. We're going to start off here on your dashboard, and over here on the left-hand side you'll notice a link to the to-do list. Now, I have cleared mine out for the purpose of this tutorial, but this is what I really use to keep myself organized. This pending column I like to use for all of those little small tasks that don't necessarily qualify under the routine maintenance items, but we all know there's lots of those small jobs that just need doing on boats. Putting this pending column can help me keep track, and when I'm ready to work on them, I can move it over to this in progress column. So let's show you how we're going to do that. I'm going to start off and create a new pending item. And let's go ahead and say, oh, we've got a few fiberglass dings that we want to fix. So we're going to say repair fiberglass. Now, I don't want to assign this to any equipment. This is just kind of a small one-off item, so I'm not going to pick anything here. We have an option for you to choose what priority you would like to assign this. And I'm going to say we're going to put this at the top of the list. Go ahead and hit save. Now, at this point, I want to touch on what you're seeing down here. We have built this, so if you would like to include kind of the regularly scheduled maintenance tasks as part of this to-do list, so you can get a full overall picture of what needs to be done, you can do so. So we have down here, these are the top most attention needed tasks on your boat. So you can click on these three drop-down menus, and you can add this to your official pending list. You can put it in progress if you would like. Now I'm going to show you another way this can be done as well, coming back to the dashboard. And let's go ahead and say, well, I've got this upcoming task this coming week. I'd like to be prepared for it. I can go ahead and click on the task, and this will work anywhere. If you're in your tasks page or your equipment page, same concept will apply. Rather than completing this task, I want to click on the drop-down menu, and we can add it to our pending column on the checklist. So go ahead and do that here. We're going to go ahead and say, this is less important than the fixing the fiberglass, so I'm going to move it to the bottom of the list. It is assigned to a piece of equipment already, so we're going to leave it that way. And we'll go ahead and hit save. Now we'll come back into the to-do list, and we now have two items in our pending column. And let's say I'm going to be productive today. I'm going to get started on repairing the fiberglass, so I can come over here to the side menu and actually move it to the in progress column. Now, I like to do this kind of at the beginning of every week so that I know what are the things that I need to be working on for the week. Now, let's say it was a very productive day. Managed to finish all the fiberglass repairs I wanted to do, so I can again come over and move this to a completed task, which brings up our completed task screen, gives you the option to add some notes or files if you want. So if you took some pictures of the repairs or wanted to note the gel coat color you used, there's some important things you can do there. For now, let's just go ahead and hit completed, and marks the task as completed. Now you'll note there is a note up here for you that says the completed items are naturally going to fall off this completed column after 30 days. But they also show up, if you come back to your dashboard, down here at the bottom, under your entire boat interaction history, come to all, and sure enough, you can see repair fiberglass is listed here. That's going to pretty much wrap things up. I hope now you can see what a powerful tool this can be to just keep you organized. And when you're trying to remember all of the things that you need to do on your boat, yeah, staying organized is very helpful. So thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again soon. Bye, y'all.